Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and in this video we will see how to order the E.ON card online. If you have electric car and if you are living in Scandinavian country or especially on Denmark, Copenhagen or any other places located on Denmark, so this card is very important for you because of a number of charging stations providing here in especially in Scandinavian countries E.ON. And if you are use the E.ON charging station, so you need to require such kind of card. So how you order, we will see detailed demonstration in this video, as well as I'm providing you unboxing after I'm receiving this one. I just ordered this last Friday and yesterday I'm receiving this one. So if you order like a Monday, so definitely you are receiving this card on Friday, and after that you can very easily connect and charge your electric vehicle. So remaining video we will see unboxing as well as how we order this card. Now I just simply open this one, E.ON card. Now it's empty. Here is my address and some another informations are available here. And this is our card. Look at this here. They are providing something. I have no idea about the Danish. This is a Danish language, and this is our card. Now you just simply touch here and this one is activated. It's very simple. Now we'll see how to order this card, and after that you can receive the same types of card. Hey guys, let's start. Simply open here Google and just type here E.ON, enter. The first link is display here. The originally company is a German based company. You click here and here several informations are available here. Here is a several informations are available here. If you are facing the problem, you can ask the customer care. You can install the E.ON charging station in your home around 10,000 Danish krona. We are targeting how to order the car. Just simply my page. Using my page you can register here, like simply click here. And after that here electronic car customer options are available. You just simply add here CPR number, account number or the account related information, and after that the billing service and your bank are approved, and then after you can very easily use this one. After that customer services, you can enter direct customer services, scroll down and here order the charging card. Order the charging card. So order the charging card cost around 149 Danish krona. Here some of the informations are available. I lost my charging card. My charging card does not work. My charging card is damaged. I would like to extra card. So you just simply click here and fulfill your information like this. Customer number also you can add it here, and yes, done, and order. After within 3 to 4 days the card you can receive in your home address. It's very simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.